This is an AIPMT question in electric potential and capacitance. The problem says electric potential at a point in free space due to a charge q is given by some value. So, basing on that what we can write? We can write the very definition of electric potential V as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. That's value is given as q into 10 power 11 volts. So, q and q will cancel. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 power 9 by r equal to 10 power 11. So, r equal to 9 into 10 power 9 by 10 power 11, that is 9 into 10 power minus 2 meter. That is the value of the r that we have got. R value is that much. Once if you get the r, I can go to the further part of the problem. Problem is what is the electric field at that point is. So, if we have to calculate the electric field strength at a point, we know that electric field intensity is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. So, we know that 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 power 9 q by the value of r square. R value we have already calculated as 9 into 10 power minus 2. So, r square becomes 9 into 10 power minus 2 into minus 2 is 10 power minus 4. So, this 9 and 9 will cancel. So, what is remaining is the value of that r, what's the electric field intensity that is remaining is q into 10 power 9 by 9 into 10 power minus 4. That minus 4 when go to the numerator becomes a plus 4, that is q by 9 into 10 power plus 13. That is the answer, volt per meter. But unfortunately, we do not have the answer in this format. In the problem, in the answers, if you have a look, you do not have that kind of an option. So, I have to rewrite it. I have to write in terms of 4 pi epsilon naught. Here we know 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 power 9. That implies 1 by 9 into 10 power 9 is 4 pi epsilon naught. If you see in the questions, everywhere 4 pi epsilon naught is there. So, I have to get that 4 pi epsilon naught. If I have to get the 4 pi epsilon naught here in the numerator, I have to have in the denominator 1 by 9 into 10 power 9. 1 by 9 is there, but 10 power 9 is not there in the denominator. So, what do we do is, let us multiply and divide with 10 power 9 to the electric field intensity that we have. It implies E equal to q by 9 into 10 power 13 what we have got into 10 power 9 by 10 power 9. So, how much it becomes? Q into 10 power 13 plus 9 is 22. What is remaining is 9 into 10 power 9 in the denominator. That 1 by 9 into 10 power 9 in the place of this is 1 by 9 into 10 power 9, I can write 4 pi epsilon naught. That implies electric field intensity is, in the place of this 1 by 9 into 10 power 9, I can write 4 pi epsilon naught. Whatever remaining is q into 10 power 22. So, your answer is 4 pi epsilon naught q into 10 power 22 is the answer. So, it is just masking of the data and converting into the required format. It is a simple problem. You only need to know basic formulas for electric potential and electric intensity. Once if you know, and if you are mathematically able to rearrange the terms, you will be able to get the answer. That is how we solve the problem. Thank you for watching.